is their, where is it written? Hey all, welcome back to my channel, and for those of you who are new, my name is Sucheta. Today in this video we are going to do an Amazon haul from the products that I've bought from Amazon Great Indian Festival. I have taken full advantage of the discounts that were present on the app and bought some of my favorite skincare and makeup products. मेरे पास ऐसे 3 बॉक्सेस हैं एंड मैं ओपन करके आपको शो करूंगी कि मैं एग्जैक्टली क्या प्रोडक्ट्स खरीदे हैं एंड व्हाट आर माय फेवरेट प्रोडक्ट. द बेस्ट पार्ट इज दैट कि ये प्रोडक्ट्स मुझे सिर्फ 1 डे डिलीवरी में डिलीवर हुए हैं. So this is what I love about Amazon कि डिलीवरी की कोई टेंशन ही नहीं है. You know, as you all know, festivals have started and gifting season has started, and what happens with us is कि कभी-कभी हम लोग भूल जाते हैं अपने loved ones के लिए gifts लेना, या फिर you know 1 day में या 2 days में आपको कुछ किसी को देना है या घर के लिए लेना है. So Amazon is like the perfect solution for this because they have such quick deliveries. The best part is that they have thousands of options to choose from. So without further delay, let's start with the makeup products that I've bought. So the first product is NK Makeup Sugar Plum Eyeshadow Palette.
Let me show you the pigmentation on my hand. I have bought this palette because of the bright and festive colors it has, and the pigmentation is also pretty good. I already have used one neon green palette from the same brand before, and isliye I got one more from the same brand from Amazon. I have bought Swiss Beauty Metallic Liquid Eyeshadow. I love this one and I'll show you how it looks. I can just imagine what perfect festive and wedding looks can be created with this liquid eyeshadow. One swipe and you're done.
Those of you who love metallic eyeshadow looks, this one is definitely for you and recommended, and this has a lot of shades that you can choose from. Next buy is something that I wanted to try since a long time in budget foundations. That is Maybelline's Fit Me Matte and Poreless Normal to Oily Skin SPF 22 Foundation.
A perfect day wear foundation. I have bought this in shade 120 Classic Ivory. It has a medium coverage and gives a matte kind of finish, which is what I wanted for a daytime look.
Does not clog pores, which is a plus point because मुझे makeup के बाद breakouts नहीं चाहिए. The last makeup product that I have bought is Sugar Cosmetics Magic Wand Waterproof Concealer.
I have also bought Sugar Cosmetics Waterproof Concealer in 15 Cappuccino shade. It's a very lightweight concealer. I will be using it mainly to cover my under eye dark circles and maybe a bit of contouring here and there.
This has full coverage and has 6 more shades that you can choose from, and this lasts up to 8 hours. So next up are a few skincare products that I've bought from Minimalist brand, which is one of my favorite brands, and I keep on using it on a daily basis. I have bought these 3 products from Minimalist from Amazon at a very good discount. The first product that I've bought from Minimalist is Niacinamide 5% and Hyaluronic Acid 1% face serum.
It's a really good serum for acne prone skin. It hydrates, soothes and repairs the skin. It can be used day and night. It's got a lightweight texture that gets easily absorbed in the skin.
The second product that I've bought from Minimalist is their PHA 3% plus Biotic Toner. This is ideal for pore tightening and skin hydration.
I was searching for a good toner for a pretty long time because my skin is sensitive, plus मुझे मेरे pores भी reduce करने हैं, and I saw this on Amazon with a great discount and I went for it.
So the third and the final product that I've bought from Minimalist is their Squalene 100% face oil. I really require this because my face tends to dry up in parts, and this really helps to rejuvenate it and also keeps my skin supple.
This would be my third bottle of Squalene. It's a great weightless formula, does not clog pores and is ideal to combat fine lines, dryness and keeps skin hydrated.
So that was all that I've bought from the Amazon Great Indian Festival, and trust me, all these products have been delivered to me within 1 day's time. So thumbs up to the express delivery. All the products that I've got, the quality is really good and they are definitely authentic, and they have really good discounts on them. Do head on to Amazon ASAP before the Great Indian Festival ends and purchase products from your favorite brand at great discounts and offers. I really hope that you guys enjoyed the video and found it useful. Do give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. Till next time, bye bye.